Hey everybody, so you have a CX500 and you're struggling to remove the radiator fan. Let me show you a neat little trick, real simple, and it's using stuff you already have. Hey guys, before we get started, I just want to let you know that the process that I'm going to show you for removing the fan utilizing an axle is technically not the correct way of doing this. You want to use an M14 150 bolt, and you thread this in here. You have it flat on the end, and this allows better thread engagement than a potentially tapered axle. The axle method has worked for me 100% of the time, but it hasn't worked for everybody. There have been instances of stripped fans, and when that happens, you know, you're having a bad day at that point. So just be warned that there are different methods. The one I'm showing you is more of a kind of a hack way of doing it, I guess. Just kind of a trick utilizing something that you already have on the bike. So anyway, with that being said, enjoy the video. Okay, so if you're checking this video out, you might need some help getting this fan off. And you might have seen some different ways online, and I know everybody who's looked this up has heard about the rear axle method, or using an axle to get it off. Well, just went ahead, pulled the axle out of the rear of this thing, and it fits in here. Just like factory. Same thread pitch. So let me set the camera up and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Alright, so I'm just threading this thing in here, and you can feel it bottom out. I'm going to take a wrench, this is 17 mil, just tighten it up a little bit. Alright. I just got a ball peen hammer. So we're just going to tap on the end of the axle as I put pressure on here, tightening it. Simple as that. So there you have it. Now this is a kind of like a cone fit on here, so it's just tension fit, and that's why they're a little bit difficult to get off. Now some fans will notice, like I think this one, it's developing cracks all along the edges here, so this thing could explode at any minute, which is definitely not good. So there you have it, real simple. Grab the rear axle out of the bike, thread it into the fan, a couple taps of the hammer as you're tensioning it, pops right off. Not too hard. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, let me know below. And yeah, take a cruise to the channel. Check out some of the stuff I have going on. Got a lot of different content. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.